Hi everybody and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to do a hard reset on your JVC headphones. So prepare for it because it is a long process. So at first you have to insert both left and right earphones in your case, and now you have to hold the touch sensor area for at least 15 seconds until our LED light flashes twice. As you can see, it did. Now we have to do the same with the right one. As you can see, the sign that you did it correct is that our left LED light is turned on. And after that, you have to remove the earbuds from our case, and now they are ready to go. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.